Hey everybody, it's Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird, say hi. Are you coming? Let's go catch up to Dee Dee and Goose, huh? Oh, Dee Dee and Goose, Dee Dee and Boots. Where you going? As you can all see, Pretty Bird's doing better. You coming? What do you see? See everybody? Is everybody over there playing? Huh? You go see where your brother and sister are? Watch out, it's a bench. Not a bench. Anyway, she's doing better. Still taking her medicine. We decided she needed to come out and graze. It's important that she gets variety. Woo! Careful, baby. Come on. Oh, pretty. You want to go quick? Quick. Come on. Come on, quick. Go on, quick. Quick. Ooh, there you go. Here, show everybody how you can fly. Pretty Bird. Good girl. We made it. Wait, what's that? Let me see. Oh, that's a piece of plastic. That's not for you. There you go. It's okay. Yes. We made it. We made it to the playground. Yes, we made it. You say hi to everybody. Good girl. What's up, honey? It's okay, Pretty Bird. Yeah. Oh, you're excited. You want your water, don't you? Yes. Okay. Alrighty. Yes, I'll make you your water. It's okay. I'll make you your water. Okay. Can you say bye-bye to your flock? So bye, everybody. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to subscribe and comment and like the video and share it with your friends. So they can too get to know the cute little Pretty Bird. Right, Pretty Bird? Yeah. So bye-bye. Cuckoo. Okay. Cuckoo. Okay.